believe it or not, our happiest customers are the ones who have the most amazing HVAC systems. And
I can imagine that. Yeah.
Many, many times here. How could I didn't even know like the air could feel like this. Like that's a normal kind of thing.
I've seen that in reviews. That was one of the first things you told me was a story of getting in somebody's house and they just pulled you aside to be like, I didn't know it could feel like this.
Yeah, because you can't test drive it. It's the worst part of our business is that thing. It's like they're
Right.
taking our word on everything, and they're talking to a contractor. Like, I would say there are contractors you can trust, but I completely understand why a potential client would have anxiety about just trusting your word. Like,
Right.
that's a big reach.